Hello, this is a video from BMC Customer Support that's about the product discovery, and this is about a common issue, that is a missing attribute in a software instance node. This problem happens when you open a software instance page and there are some missing attributes like versions, installation path, edition, and you can observe that sometimes this attribute is missing, sometimes it's not missing. The consequences of this issue is around the license management. If you are counting the licenses for a particular product and a particular version, of course it can impact your license management. It can also simply impact your reporting. The first things to try if you are facing a such issue is to upgrade the latest TKU. This is because new TKU version may provide new methods to find the missing information. Some of them could work. They also provide some bug fixes, and it could help you to find what is missing. The other thing to try is to rescan with root or administrator if you are on Windows. This is because most of the time, or frequently, the cause of a missing attribute is simply that Discovery is not able to access the information that you want Discovery to discover. If after having done that, the attribute is still missing, I recommend you to review the knowledge base article that is displayed on the screen. This knowledge article will explain that missing attributes are frequent, especially regarding the version. It will explain what are the most frequent root causes. It can be, as I said, a permission issue because Discovery looks for the information in files and Discovery needs permissions to access this file, to read them. The Discovery can also find a version in the output of a command line. So this command line has to be there at the expected place, and Discovery needs enough permissions to execute it, of course. The root cause can also be that the software was customized. For example, some files were modified or the permissions were modified, and it could lead Discovery to not be able to execute a command or find a particular file. The article will also help you to list the different methods that are used by the pattern to find the missing attribute. It will recommend you to review the documentation in Configipedia, for example. It can also suggest you to read the code of the pattern if you are familiar with TEPL to find all the different ways to find what is missing. Once you will have reviewed all the methods, you know that all of them failed. You will have to choose the most promising one. For example, you may decide to increase the permission with sudo or with a different user account. You can also decide to configure the pattern. Some of them are able to find some files in some predefined folders. And you can also decide to change the configuration of your software if it has been customized, for example. This article will also explain to you that if you are reporting a very large number of software instances with a missing attribute to BMC Customer Support, BMC Customer Support will help you to find the cause and the solution for a reasonable number of them. But if the list is way too big, we may have to recommend you to engage BMC professional services. Thanks a lot.